So I'm going to do a little video today on the Clear Gun, the Dv1 I was telling you guys about last time. I got it dialed in pretty good now and it's working real nice. So just wanted to show you what the result is after I got it fine-tuned. Thanks for watching the video, and let me know what you guys think also of the Dv1 gun. It's pretty good. I'm liking it a lot, and just giving you my ideas on how I like it and how it's spraying. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Here's one I painted yesterday with it. It's definitely laying out a nice flat coat. So like I was telling you, I've had it now for probably about a week and a half now, and got used to it. But it's definitely a nice gun. Just like any other gun, you got to get used to it and feel it out and spray with it, but I like it. So I'm going to spray one here in a minute with it and show you. So stay tuned. So here it is, guys. This is the Dv1 with the 1.4 in it. I've got it turned in about a turn and a half on the pattern, and I also have it turned in about 2 on the fluid amount. And I'm spraying the clear at 22. I like it at 22 psi. I've tried it less with less pressure on it. It'll spray nice, but it puts it out with this clear. It's putting too much material out. So I need to atomize it with the solids of this clear that I'm using, the CC200 Sherwin. But I'm getting it dialed in real nice now, and I'm liking the gun a lot. So just giving you my thoughts after having it about a week and a half. So appreciate you guys watching the video. If anybody is using this gun, leave some comments down below too on how you're doing it and what you think about the gun. So far to me, I'm loving it. So guys, that was 2 coats of clear with that gun, and like I said, it'll lay it out flat. That first door that I showed you before I started painting, that was off a Mercedes, so it was really glassed out because those are a lot slicker. The next parts were off a Dodge Charger, and they're not as slick, so you want to have some peel in these cars also to make them look like they haven't been done. I like to dial in the orange peel on my jobs to match the factory peel. So this gun will let you do whatever you need to, glass it out, also peel it out. If you got to put a little pinch to it, it'll do that also. So just giving you my thoughts on the gun after spraying it for a week and a half, and hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for more of these, and we're going to do one now on my reviews of the base gun. of what I really think of that one. So stay tuned for that one and watch more of the videos. Subscribe, guys. It's I appreciate all the new subscribers and everybody commenting. So thanks a lot for the videos, and thanks for doing what you guys do. Thank you. So this is it out of the booth. If you guys could look, you can see a little bit of the peel I was telling you guys about it with the clear for the Chryslers. I like to leave a little bit of peel in it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I mean, it still looks good, but it's got a little bit of peel just to match the OE look. And then here's the Mercedes. So you can make it do what it's got to do to match the peel. You can see it. Chrysler, Mercedes. Probably see it there a little bit. Just got to lay it down flatter for these Mercedes to match the factory peel. Thanks for watching.